Hello, good people, and welcome to Dual Markets Academy. Today, we continue with our discussion on how to build the mindset of a successful trader. And our focus will be on the art of patience. But just before we continue, if you're watching us and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and join the GMA family. Thank you. As we have said before, to get started with forex trading, it is very easy. You need to have your laptop, you access a broker, download the MT4 platform or MT5, deposit some amount into your account, and then you get started. That just requires you to have a desk and a chair where you'll be seated in order for you to execute the trades. So getting seated for you to start the process or the journey of trading, it is very easy. Just sit down. Look at the markets. Set up your plan and execute the plan. But it is forex trading, it is more than just having a seat and a desk and your laptop or a phone for you to get started. You need to have a plan on how you are going to execute your strategies and your plans. And that's where the art of patience comes in order to build the mindset of a successful trader. What follows next after getting seated, it is the second step about the art of patience, which is waiting for the moment for you to execute. So you sit down and wait for that moment for you to implement your plan. The wait, it is the most difficult element about the art of patience, which most people don't practice. Somebody just wants to, download the platform, upload some money, and start off with trading. They have what we call the fear of missing out, or the FOMO. You're missing out on opportunity thinking that there will be a big or huge movement in terms of the price action. And if you don't have a trade running, you'll miss out. And that's where most people go wrong. You need to have a mindset whereby if you have a plan, this plan you need to have check boxes whereby you must tick them before you execute and trade. And that's where we have the wait. You have to wait the most opportune moment for you to execute. It is not about the number of trades you have. It is not about, how big the trades you have made. But it is about the quality of trades which you have made with your plan. For example, this week, I've only done one trade. The week is almost over. But it is about the quality of that trade. Because you sit down and wait for that moment, then you enter the market. And that's what 90% of retail traders don't do. They don't wait. They just get seated on their desk and they start trading. Somebody is nervous. Somebody is thinking that if I don't trade tomorrow, there will be no opportunity. No. It is like a bus. Once it goes, another one is coming. Wait for the next opportunity for you to execute. And that's where the art of patience comes in and builds your mindset. Have a mindset of somebody who can wait. And patience, as I've said, it's paramount for all forex traders. Wait for that moment. You don't have to execute a trade just because you are seated on your desk. No. Analyze. Check boxes must be ticked before you execute. And that's where the art of patience and the element of wait comes in. So once you wait and that opportunity strikes, what follows next is for you to catch it. You catch that moment. And catching means you execute. Take the position. It could be you're executing to enter the market or you're executing to exit the market based on your analysis and the plan which you have. So the first thing we have said is sit down, wait for that opportune moment and catch it. So execute that moment. And once you execute, what follows next? It's the cycle begins again. You sit down, you wait for the moment, execute, and wait again. But what most people don't do, it is the second step, which is to wait for the moment. People are eager. People want to execute. People want to make money all of a sudden within a very short period of time. But that's not the art, or that's not the mindset of a successful trader. A successful trader will wait for the moment to execute. And once you execute, you wait for the other opportunity. You are not in a hurry to execute. You don't fear to miss out on anything. So patience is key for success of any forex trader. That brings us to the end of our discussion today. Kindly leave us a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified once we release our next video. Thank you and bye bye for now.